How to fix lag in Minecraft Bedrock. So first, just go to your menu right here, then just go to settings. Once you're on settings, just scroll down here on the left side till you see the video under general. And now just scroll down right here and just disable fancy leaves, fancy bubbles, render clouds, beautiful skies, smooth lighting, and fancy graphics. Now once that's disabled, just scroll down again here on the right and just lower this render distance down to recommended. So just find the recommended one. So as you can see, 32 chunks is the recommended one, but if you want more FPS, you could just lower it down more. But I'm just gonna go with the recommended one. And here on the frame limit, I suggest that you set it to unlimited. And for on-site aliasing, just set it to 2. That should be good. And now you could try to play Minecraft. You open up your Minecraft and see if it had a difference. So if you want more FPS, you could change this render distance to like maybe 26 or like 22. So basically, the lower, the higher the FPS. But for me, I'm good with 32 chunks. So it's just for personal preference. And the next thing that you can do is just go back right here and just click on play and just disable any texture pack that you have. So let's say you have many texture packs. So I'm going to check if this has texture packs. So as you can see, I have 3 active. So what you can do is just disable those texture packs to reduce lag. Now once it's deactivated, you can now basically play the world. And that's how you fix lag in Minecraft Bedrock.